Meet the De'Longhi Dinamica Plus, a super automatic espresso machine that promises barista-level coffee at the touch of a button. But here's the thing. After weeks of testing, I discovered a few trade-offs the ads won't tell you. Stick around, because by the end, I'll tell you who this machine is really for and who might want to steer clear. De'Longhi Dinamica Plus Product Overview. So what's this thing? The De'Longhi Dinamica Plus, also marketed as ECAM 370.95.T or ECAM 370.X variants, is a high-end bean-to-cup espresso machine, released in recent years, De'Longhi's flagship Plus update. It's aimed at coffee lovers who want cafe-style drinks at home without pulling manual shots every morning. Key selling points: a built-in bird grinder, a LatteCrema automatic milk system, a 3.5-inch color touchscreen, and mobile app connectivity, the Coffee Link app, to save recipes and profiles. De'Longhi Dinamica Plus Performance. All right, specs are fine and required, but the real question is, how does it behave in daily life? I ran this through a battery of routines: morning espresso shots, midday cappuccinos, iced lattes, and extended test runs to check consistency. Espresso quality: by super automatic standards, it's very good. Shots come out with strong crema and body, as many reviewers affirm. With a little tweaking of grind size and strength, I was able to punch in something nearly cafe level, especially after a few trial runs. Tech Radar warns there is a learning curve to nailing your perfect drink. It's not always perfect straight out of the box. Milk drinks. This is where the Dinamica Plus shines. Its LatteCrema milk system textures milk across multiple foams. You can dial up or down, and it does it reliably. Reviewers note the milk texture is really nicely textured. It holds its own even with alternative milks, barista-style oat, soy, although very finicky non-dairy milks sometimes struggle, which is a common caveat. Features and tech. Let's dig into what makes this machine special and how it helps you. LatteCrema milk system with removable carafe. The milk carafe is detachable. You can store it in the fridge between uses. That's convenient and cleaner than some systems that force you to pour milk each time. User profiles plus customization. You can save up to 3 user profiles, each with custom settings: brew strength, milk foam, temperature. That's great for households with multiple drink preferences. Coffee Link app and touchscreen. You get local control via the touchscreen and remote recipe editing via the app. The app can be sluggish or buggy at times, but it's useful for crafting new drinks. Design and build. Aesthetically, De'Longhi has done a solid job. The finish is sleek, often in a titanium steel coloring, and the overall profile, while not ultra-compact, is manageable for a premium machine. Dimensions are about 13.7 by 9.3 by 16.9 inches, or 34.8 times 23.6 times 42.9 centimeters, so you'll want to make sure your counter space can handle its depth. The materials lean heavily on towards high-quality plastics and metal accents. It looks premium, but is not entirely metal. In terms of ergonomics, the milk carafe slots in nicely and is easy to remove. The drip tray and bean hopper are accessible, but small touches like switching spouts, hot water versus milk, sometimes drip during the switch. Pros: superb one-touch milk drink quality. Customization plus user profiles, great for households. Cold or iced drink options, rare at this tier. Dishwasher-safe milk parts plus guided cleaning. Cons: app or remote control can be laggy and unreliable. Water tank size is modest, frequent refills. The coffee pot drip mode is weak, not a strength, and it takes a bit of calibration to get your perfect cup. Final verdict. So, is the Dinamica Plus worth your hard-earned cash? The short answer: if you regularly drink milk-based espresso beverages, want serious automation, and value convenience over hands-on control, it's one of the best super automatics you can get. It nails espresso and milk foam with consistency, gives you customization and profiles, and even lets you make iced drinks, which is rare at this class.